Hey guys, it's Jack. You haven't heard from me in quite a while, and I figured I would do a quick video for all my family and friends that were getting the Raleigh crypto newsletter that I was sending out over the bull market and then the beginning of this market or the beginning of this year. I haven't done a crypto update for you guys in a long time. And it's not that I wasn't focused on it, but I wasn't focused on it. And I'll tell you why. We'll do a quick update, and then I'm going to give you an update on what I'm up to. So, as you guys are probably aware, we're still in what we would consider a bear market. That's not a bad thing. People that don't understand or haven't done investing before probably do not understand what that actually means. A bear market can last 6 months, a year, 2 years, 3 years. We never know exactly how long it can last. But what we do know is this, is that it will end, okay? And the most money that I've ever made, and all of the people that I look up to and that I talk to in regards to investing, will always tell you that the major money that they make is made not when everything is going up, but when nobody else is watching, when all the energy is sucked out of the market. So during this bear market, you should be taking advantage of the situation because everything is on sale. That doesn't mean today you have to go out and spend thousands of dollars. You can dollar cost average in because we don't know if it's going to go lower. We don't know if it's going to go sideways. I put a decent amount of money in the market a few months ago, and it absolutely was at the bottom. I got lucky, but I knew it was a good buy one way or the other. It was when Ethereum was at about 1,200, and everything else was down too. So most of the people that follow what we've been doing the last few years have been dollar cost averaging in. So I'm just going to give you a quick update. So nothing has changed, guys. Do not lose focus. This is when you make your big money. It's not when your barber or your doctor is talking to you about crypto. So let's take a look one last time. This is the exact same list of what we showed in the end of February. Nothing has changed. So Ethereum, Cardano, Gala, Polygon, those are all our core coins, okay? And you can buy most of these pretty cheap right now. Gala Games and Polygon and Cardano are very cheap. Ethereum has bounced off that $1,200 bottom, and it's around somewhere in the 1800s today. I don't know exactly where. I wouldn't be buying too much Ethereum at this price unless we really break out to the top side. I would stick to the other ones at the moment. On the secondary coins, you should be buying Sandbox, definitely the Graph. Avalanche and Moonbeam are still on the list. The other ones are Morpheus Network and Trader Joe. So nothing has changed. We are still in the bear market and you still want to accumulate these coins. There are a few others, but these are the core coins that you should be looking at. So if you don't remember this email, you didn't get it for whatever reason, you can stop the video right now and write down these coins. All right, so let's go on with it. So what is the future of the Raleigh Crypto newsletter? And what has Jack been doing for all of these months? Well, that seems to be the question, right? So let me answer the question for you. Outside of cryptocurrency, I've had another passion. I know it's not the comic books, it's another passion for many, many years. And you guys, some of you know what that is. And that is that it's a constant. There is no candlesticks. There is no market crashing. There is no bear and bull. There is no Enron. And there is no figuring out subjectively what to do. And what I'm talking about, for those that don't know, is that I have always been passionate about casino gaming. Casino gaming, what are we talking about? We're talking about roulette, craps, blackjack, and my favorite, baccarat. These are games that you play either on a cruise ship or in a brick and mortar casino, which are popping up all over the country, or you can play online. And I'm going to get into that in a moment. So what I decided to do in the middle of this bear market was to go back and evaluate everything that I was doing with my casino gaming over the last 20 years. And what I realized was that I didn't have the same problems in casino gaming that I've had with Forex or crypto or anything else. A lot of those built in problems just don't happen. Now, that doesn't make it the holy grail. What it does is it makes it another asset class, the way that we look at it. Now, you might say that every one of those casino games has a house edge. Well, my argument to you would be everything has a house edge. Every time that you buy crypto, every time that you buy a stock or an option, there is a house edge. Make no mistake about it, there's a broker on the other side. There are people that have information that you do not have on the other side. There's government regulatory pressure. There's economic reports. All kinds of things that are working against you in these so-called major asset classes. So when you evaluate what I'm talking about using casino gaming as an asset class, make sure that you understand that those fallacies or those myths or whatever you want to call them are exactly what they are. If my way of looking at it's really simple. I look at everything as a cash flow vehicle, okay? Yes, it's true that with crypto, some of them are instant cash flow vehicles if you're day trading or swing trading, while other ones are being held for a year, 2 years, 3 years, or even longer. We don't do that in casino investing. What we do on this side is it's instant gratification. So it's basically a paycheck generator. That's what we use the casino for, as a paycheck generator. It's an income stream, nothing different than some of the other businesses that I have where we sell retail products. It's the same as that, but it has a lot more in common with asset classes like crypto or oil, gold, silver, things of that nature. The only difference is that we do not have any Enrons or economic downturns or anything like that. So it's fantastic. So let's talk a little bit more about why I'm bringing this up. The last 4 months, I made the decision during the bear market that it was time for me to step back into the casino industry. And what I decided to do was I decided to evaluate all the systems that are out there, systems that I have used to make money over the last 20 years, evaluate what other people were doing. These are systems that some of them cost thousands of dollars, the creators will charge you, and some of them were actually absolutely free. The problem is that you never know whether they're good or bad. Massive testing, just like any other trading vehicle, must take place. So for months, I tested the systems that I have successfully used in the past with other money management components. And let's just give you a little synopsis as to what that means. The same way in trading, that if you have a set amount of money to be able to utilize, that's going to indicate what type of trades what size trades you should be doing. Well, it's no different in casino gaming, okay? If you have a $500 bankroll, you can't be making $100 bets. If you have a $5,000 bankroll, that's a different story. So your bets, just like in trading, have to be somewhat related to the size of your bankroll. And one of the reasons for that is that you must be able to survive those downturns, those negative moments, just like in trading. The other reason is that in casino gaming, you can flat bet, which means that you're simply betting the same amount every time. But to really take advantage of the moments and those times where we believe it's time to make the money, or the times that that we're in a losing streak, what we do is we use some form of a money management tool, just like in trading, to be able to change the size of our bets. Change the size of our bets. Sometimes that's called a progression. It could be a negative progression where we progress only after losses. It could be a positive progression only when we progress after wins, or some combination of both. So this is not the video for me to go into detail. I just want to give you guys an overview as to what we're doing. So after months of evaluating the concept, we decided it was time to create during this bear market something fresh, something new for anybody that's interested in finding a new source of income. A new source of income outside of crypto and trading. People that didn't want to do Fiverr, people that didn't want to do Uber or Lyft, any of the ride shares, or sell products on eBay or Amazon. This is who we created this for. Okay, so without any more hoopla, let me show you what we've done. The first website that we created is this one. This is cruisecasinoadvisor.com. cruisecasinoadvisor.com. This is a completely free website where we give free information and articles in regards to basic understanding of casino games and some strategies, but very basic. It also talks about, since we're coming at it from the cruise side, there's some cruise news and things like that, and some basic game tutorials. And the reason for this is this site is kind of a free gateway for people to get involved and get a little bit of the feeling for what we're doing. So if you guys are interested, you can come to this website and you can simply click anywhere, almost anywhere, here where this donkey is. You can put your email in and you're automatically going to be signed up for the free newsletter. And it'll let you know when we have new articles in regards to gaming. And the reason it's about cruising, by the way, is that we realize that there's 14 million people that take cruises every year, 14 million plus people, and there's absolutely no hub or information site that talks about how to play the games in the casino while you're on the cruise and actually have any chance of winning whatsoever. So that's why we developed this niche, even though the games on the cruise are exactly the same as the games in any other land-based casino or online, which I'm going to show you in a moment. So this is a free website. Feel free to go visit it and see what we've created. cruisecasinoadvisor.com. Now let me show you the where most of my work has gone into over the last few months. So those people that want to take it seriously and want to turn a casino, whether it's online on a cruise ship or brick and mortar, into their own personal ATM machine and learn the strategies that we're teaching and using ourselves to generate daily profits, this is where you would go. Okay? This is our main site for those that want to take it seriously. This is cruisecasinomafia.com. It's a sister site, cruisecasinomafia.com. All right. And you can watch the videos. Though I have not grown a beard, this guy is a famous podcaster that was blown away by the stuff that we're doing here. And this gives you a little bit more information about what we do and how we can turn a casino games into our own personal ATM. Now, a lot of people may ask the question, do we win all the time? And the answer is no. It's no different than crypto or stocks or options or anything else for that matter. We created systems, we test systems, which for all these individual games, we teach these systems in a PDF and a video, and then you can practice these systems on free online simulators to get good at them and to make a decision as to whether it's something you want to take to the real world, meaning use real money on it or not. We certainly don't tell anybody to jump out there and use these systems without practicing and evaluating them for yourself. Okay? And the way that it works is the systems that are in the back end, that are in the member area, this is a membership site, are mainly for roulette, baccarat, and craps. These are the three most popular ways that we've generated systems that make money on a regular basis. So the bottom line is, it's not that we make money every single moment. We know how to deal with the losses. We have money management and stop losses the same way that we would in any other asset class. So we treat the casino the same way we do as crypto or the Forex market, the same exact way. If we win 10 or 15 of our mini sessions, that we play craps, let's say, or baccarat, and we lose two, if you have the proper money management, you're going to come out with money. You do not have to win every trade in the same way you do not have to win every session that you play in the casino. And it's exactly the same way. It's just that we don't have all those ancillary problems using these games to make money. We don't have the ancillary problems, the broker pressure, the U.S. government problems where you have to move your money from one broker to another. We've all experienced that. Brokers trading against you, slippage when your trades are not filled properly. None of those things happen when you're playing in the casino and you're playing using the systems that we use on a daily basis. So you can use these when you're on vacation on a cruise. You can use these to make a part-time income, or you can do what we're doing and using this to generate an actual paycheck every single week. It's up to you. If you're just interested in learning what we're doing, by all means. And right now, what we're doing is this membership is going to be $1,000 to get in here because we're adding new systems on a regular basis. So within the next few weeks, there'll be probably 20 different systems in here. And certainly nobody's telling you that you need to play all 20 or become an expert at all 20. Some of them will just not jive with you when you practice. They won't fit your criteria. You won't like them. You won't get a feeling for them. And then other ones will you really take to them. And those are the systems that you'll probably move forward and play for real money when you're ready. Okay, when you're ready, only after practicing and evaluating the system for yourself. So this will be $1,000 membership fee. And it's a one-time lifetime fee. It's not a monthly or an annual fee. But what we're doing to make sure that all family, friends, and anybody else that's really had a hard time during the bear market, in the stock market, Forex, or crypto, has a chance to really start generating profits again and using those profits either to pay bills or whatever you want to do for a hobby or for taking vacations or to place part of that money back into the crypto market like we're talking about. Because by placing that money back in the crypto market now during this bear market, you are taking full advantage of the profits that you're making in the casino and really spreading those out and building a portfolio. So that's why I'm bringing this stuff up to you guys. Obviously, this is not for everybody. I understand that this is not for everybody, but I will tell you that it is probably one of the best income stream generators that I've ever had. I've been playing in the casino for over 25 years, and I have been testing systems for a good amount of that time. And we've taken the best systems, tweaked them, put them through simulators, computer analysis, tweaked and tweaked and tweaked what I've been doing for years, and taken systems that have only come out in the last few years that, by the way, cost thousands of dollars to purchase those systems. We have already done that legwork. We have figured out what's worked in those systems, what hasn't worked, and paired them up with money management components that make them light years better. Okay, so bottom line is, for a very limited amount of time, we're allowing people to have a lifetime membership at $399.98. It's a lifetime membership. It's not a monthly. And here's what I'm going to do. Because we are so focused, laser focused, I cannot spread myself that thin anymore. So we are going to now give to everybody that comes in and joins for the $399.98 lifetime. Not only are they going to get access to all of the systems and information, and the contests that we do free giveaways, contests, all kinds of things related to vacations, gaming, Vegas, you name it. We're going to be doing lots of freebies. So you're going to get the systems, you're going to get everything here, but we're going to be adding new systems, like I said, every month. But we're also decided to wrap into this deal for the casino people that are coming in, as well as everybody that still wants to take advantage of the crypto market. The Raleigh Crypto Newsletter is now going to be part of this membership. So everybody that wants to continue getting and preparing for the next bull market where we hope to generate millions of dollars for people in this next bull run, whenever that may be. You can take advantage of getting that information here, as well as the casino information for the $399.98. We're only going to keep it at this level for a short period of time, and then it will go to the $1,000 level, because people are charging for the same some similar systems to what we have. They're charging $1,000 per system, and basically once it matures, we're probably going to have 40 to 50 systems back there for the $999 lifetime membership. So you can get in on it right now for the $399.98. There's plenty of information on the website. You can see some of the people that have been testers for us and have joined over the last few months prior to this website launch, which is actually happening in June. So you guys are getting a preview. Real marketing is going to happen in June. This is available to you now, but once again, we will move to the $1,000 level within the next probably 60 days or so. Okay, so you guys can take advantage of it right now. Look who it is. Oh my God, who is this guy? So that's the deal. So go visit, go check out what I've been working for the last 90 days. And this is cruisecasinomafia.com. cruisecasinomafia.com. The other site is cruisecasinoadvisor.com. That's the free website. I hope you guys have learned a little bit about what's been going on. I know I've been off the radar for the last 90 days. A lot of work going on. What you guys are seeing is the front end. You're not seeing the actual membership area with the actual systems and videos and everything else. Getting ready for this launch. It's been a lot of work, but I love it. This is a passion, just like crypto and just like my comic book stuff. This is a passion. So if you want to make more money for Holy Grail Comics, if you want to make more money to put into crypto or diversify your asset class, if you want to make more money just to go on a cruise or to spend time or to pay bills or whatever it may be to lower your debt, I am telling you that the systems that we are currently using that are part of this membership site are phenomenal. Once again, of course, I have to give the disclaimer. I am not looking over your shoulder. We are not telling you what you can do in the future. We are not. I'm not giving you legal advice, tax advice, or financial advice of any kind. I am just telling you that the information that we provide is in this membership site, and hopefully you can take advantage of it the same way that we are all doing over the last few months. And there's a lot of surprises in store for the people that are joining here. Not only are you going to get the crypto newsletter, there's a lot of other things we're going to be giving out information-wise to the members that pay this one-time fee. I can't get into it here, but I'll just say that other income streams will be introduced absolutely for free as part of joining the Cruise Casino Mafia family. And I can't talk about that publicly, but in the near future, there's going to be a lot of other things that everybody's going to be getting from being a member here. So I hope you did get a little bit out of this. And I was going to do, I was going to show you guys a little demo playing one of the systems, but we're already at 23 minutes. So I think what I'll do is I will do another video over the next few days in YouTube, in the Geek Assets YouTube channel that you guys, that you're watching this on. Go ahead and subscribe or come back in the next few days, or I'll put out another email and I'll do a quick demo video just to show you a few of the things that we're doing in a live online casino. And I'll just do it live with you and show you. I can't show you actually why I'm doing it because it's public, but I will show you a little bit of the systems and show you how easy it is and how we handle losses and wins, just to give you a little bit of a taste. So come back, take a look in the next few days, or I'll send out another video. I hope you guys join cruisecasinoadvisor.com. Put in your email address there so you can get the free website. And then if you want to take it seriously, jump over to cruisecasinomafia.com. With that being said, we will see you on the next video. You guys know you can reach out to me anytime. I hope everybody's doing great. And I really do hope that you guys are smart enough that you haven't forgotten about crypto. This is the time to make the money right now when no one's talking. This is the time to be buying these cryptocurrencies. Okay, this is the time to be buying them. You will reap the benefits, multiple benefits percentage wise, when the bull market returns. Many of these are going to do a 5x and a 10x minimum. Okay, so there is absolutely no reason not to be dollar cost averaging in to these coins right now. Only buy, like we say, like we always say, on a red day. You don't want to buy on a green day. So watch the prices and buy these when they're down. Just buy on red days. Forget about it. Build your portfolio. Take a look at cruisecasinomafia.com. And I hope we can spend a lot of time in the future talking about what we're doing and the other things that are making us money and making our lives better. Have a great day. We'll see you on the inside of Cruise Casino Mafia, as well as seeing you guys at Friends Family. We'll talk to you guys real soon. If you have any questions, let me know. Bye bye.